Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, before we go, my name is Ahmad Khalil Husairi bin Rusmadi. My number matric is 0231103252. Okay, what we doing today? Today, I want to teach you. Do you want to become an imam? Let me teach you how to prepare yourself before you become an imam. First of all, have you ever thought about what it takes to become an imam? Imagine standing in front of the group, leading the prayer with a full responsibility. It's not just about the reciting; it's about a leadership too. So today, I will teach you how and when, how and what you need to do, and how you need to do to prepare to become an imam. Without further, let's go. Okay, firstly, learn and practice the prayer reception. Okay, what does it mean? Before become an imam, make sure you can recite Al-Fatihah and other surah correctly with proper tajweed. Practice regularly. Don't be afraid of making mistake. What matters is your effort and sincerely. Okay, so when you want to become an imam, you need a preparation. Even though you are Hafiz Quran, you are memorized 30 juzuk Al-Quran, you need still read it before you become an imam. We go to the second. Okay, what is the second? The second is know the basic of Islam and prayer rules. What does it mean? It means you must to understand the basic rule of faith, which means Islamic law, especially those related to prayer. They included how to correct a mistake in prayer and how to lead different type of prayer like Jama'ah, Juma'ah or Tarawih. So the imam must have a basic about the faith, because sometimes the jamaah will ask you about the hukum, what you can do and what you cannot do, what is sunnah, what is makruh in salah. So the imam must know that. Okay, we go to the next point. Okay, for the third point is build confident and stay calm. What does it mean? Don't worry too much. Many people feel nervous at first. You need to stay calm, stay focused on your intention to serve. If you forget something, Jamaah will usually understand. Being an imam is a learning journey. So if you make a mistake, it's okay. People make mistake. If you make mistake, you learn from it. Okay, we go to the next point. Okay, and the last and the most important is strengthen your relationship with Allah. This means keep doing sunnah prayer like zikir and dua. A strong connection with Allah make your leadership more sincere and spiritual impactful. And an imam lead not just with a voice but with the heart, like the hadith, inna ma'amalu binniyat. All the thing you do come with thoughts. If you have a good thoughts, it will become good. Okay, so if you dream of becoming an imam, start preparing now. True leadership start with yourself. May Allah make it easy for you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope we will meet again next time.
Why? なぜだろう、誰かを救えるはずの力で誰もがまた争う